This simple sewing machine is easy to make. Take a piece of rubber slipper, make 3 holes in it, take a long broomstick, loop it, take both its ends and push them in the extreme holes of the rubber. Take the third stick and push it in the middle to make the cross stick. Then take 2 twin sticks, weave them first below, then on top of the middle one and below the third one. It will be a kind of a lock. Now hold the twin sticks and spin the sewing machine to hear this beautiful treadle sound. You can also make stitches with this sewing machine. Take the twin sticks and lock them as before. You can see the back view and the front view. Take the leaf and insert it between the cross stick and the twin sticks. The leaf will stay in place. Now hold the twin sticks and rotate the machine. You will be surprised that the leaf is fed forwards, and once the leaf falls, there are a series of holes in the leaves as if they were holes made by the sewing machine.